This is my submission for Project 3. Um, Starting up here, I only have two libraries included. I have a volatile int for the RPM counter for the interrupt. I have three separate times, the start time, the current time, and then whatever the elapsed time is, that's going to be used for printing out data. I have the RPM as just an integer, and then the output, I use a string to format it all into one output. So the setup, I get the time from start, keep it there, set up the baud rate. I'll attach the interrupt to pin 2, which is what the output of the IR transmitter or the IR receiver is. I'll attach it to the RPM counter interrupt off the falling edge. Um, I selected pin 13 as the data line going towards the IR transmitter. So I set it up to be an output, and I just write it high so it's going to be on at all times. Initialize a couple of variables here, and then in the main loop, I just have a delay for a second just so it's not constantly spamming and incrementing really quickly because it can output a lot in a second. I'll detach the interrupt after that second's up so I can do all my calculations and output, and then I reattach the interrupt, and that's it. So real quickly here, I will start monitoring. I know it talks about using a pencil or a propeller to block the signal and use that to calculate RPMs. My setup's a little very janky, and I don't have enough space to use a propeller, so I'm just gonna move the transmitter by hand myself. And when I start moving the transmitter, uh, the cone of where the cone that the transmitter is sending the signal, you can see that there starts to be RPM, and then I move it away, so it's out of it, down to 0. And when I just keep moving it back and forth repeatedly, see that you get different RPMs, like different speeds. So I'll go slow, and then I'll pick it up, go really fast, get some more. That's it.